Hello everyone, we're here today on the Disney Dream to do a full cabin tour of a Category 5E Deluxe Oceanview Stateroom with veranda.
Now this particular stateroom is an anomaly because its veranda is absolutely huge. You've got to see this thing to believe it.
Let's go check it out.
When we first come in the room, we've got a couple doors on the left for our bathrooms, and then on the right we have a couple closets. Inside here you'll find some hanging space for clothes, as well as the life jackets and the safe a little bit lower down there. Lots of storage space here in the closets. There's also a ladder in this closet if you're looking to use the pull down bed that they have on the other half of the room that we'll see in just a minute. These two bathrooms are a little bit different. The one has a sink and toilet. Of course, you've got some liquid hand soap there, a little bit of storage space down underneath the sink, and then some shelves over here on the left. And then the other bathroom is where you'll find your tub or shower in the room, as well as a vanity and a little bit of space to get ready. This particular room does have the larger size tub, and you have the detachable shower head here in the shower. Of course, you have the refillable shampoo, conditioner, and body wash there on the shelf. We've got some little Mickey heads hiding in the shower curtain and also in this curtain over here, the decorative curtain. We've got a single vanity with, again, some storage down below. Not a ton of space in here, but plenty of space to get ready in the mornings. You've got a small shelf here with some lotion and also a little makeup towel with your washcloths. You've got some towels hanging here on the wall, and then a full-length mirror on the back of that door. Heading into the actual stateroom here, we've got a queen-size bed that is raised up off the ground, so you do have some storage underneath for your luggage. We've got a little dresser over here with some drawers and a few shelves up above, so you've got a lot of little places to put things away here in the room. On each side of the bed, there's a small nightstand that has some power outlets down below. One of those plugs up the alarm clock on this side, which is set to ship time. And then you've got a small lamp that has a map with the different cruise ships, as well as some of the Disney park locations around the world, like Shanghai and Tokyo, and Disneyland and Disney World, and even Disneyland Paris over on the other side. And we got those little Mickey cutouts on the light too. We've got the picture here on the wall of the Wonder, Magic, Fantasy, and Dream all lined up there with a small little Steamboat Willie down at the bottom, representing kind of where we started and where we are now. The other half of the room does separate off with that curtain, which is really handy. You can kind of close off that half of the room. The couch does pull down into a twin-size bed, and you have a small little coffee table there in front of it. Up above the couch is some artwork where you'll find some rope art of Mickey, Minnie, Donald, Daisy, and Goofy, as well as some other nautical themed items. And then on the other side of the room, we have a dresser that has lots of storage down below. You've got some drawers and cabinets to store things in. You got a little makeup chair and a mirror. Your television is there, as well as a mini fridge down here that does have a decent amount of space in it, but there is no freezer section, worth pointing that out here. And then we do have that veranda here in this room, and this particular room over on the end of the ship has an absolutely massive veranda. You've got not just your regular deck chairs, but also the lounge chairs out here with that small table, a ton of space, much larger than any of the other verandas along the side of the ship. And of course, when we're out at sea, you have a beautiful view here looking off the end of the ship. And that's going to conclude our tour of this Category 5E Deluxe Oceanview Stateroom with veranda here on the Disney Dream.
We hope you enjoyed that stateroom tour here on the Disney Dream. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up below and subscribe to the channel.
And you can find other stateroom tours of Disney Cruise Line ships on our channel, and a ton of room tours of the Walt Disney World resorts and other Disney resorts around the world. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time,
We're here with the ears.